Welcome to our guide on how Albert Direct Deposit works. Albert is a mobile banking app that offers a range of financial services, including direct deposit. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up and using Albert Direct Deposit. First, let's start with the basics. Direct deposit is a payment method that allows your employer or government agency to deposit funds directly into your bank account. With Albert, you can set up direct deposit to receive your paycheck, government benefits, or other payments directly into your Albert account. To set up direct deposit with Albert, you will need to provide your employer or government agency with your Albert account information. This typically includes your account number and routing number. You can find this information in the Albert app by going to the Account Settings section. Once you have provided your employer or government agency with your account information, they will set up the direct deposit. This can take a few days to a week to process, depending on the payer's schedule. You can check the status of your direct deposit in the Albert app by going to the Transactions section. When your direct deposit is processed, the funds will be deposited directly into your Albert account. You can then use these funds to pay bills, make purchases, or transfer money to another account. Albert also offers a range of features to help you manage your finances, including budgeting tools and savings goals. One of the benefits of using Albert Direct Deposit is that it is fast and convenient. You can access your funds as soon as they are deposited, and you can manage your account from anywhere using the Albert app. Additionally, Albert Direct Deposit is secure, as your account information is protected by advanced security measures. To get the most out of Albert Direct Deposit, it's a good idea to set up notifications to alert you when your direct deposit is processed. You can also set up automatic transfers to move funds from your Albert account to another account, such as a savings or investment account. In conclusion, Albert Direct Deposit is a convenient and secure way to receive payments directly into your bank account. By following these steps and using the features offered by Albert, you can take control of your finances and make the most of your money.